Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic logo. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a heat gun. Make sure your car's surface is clean and dry, as this helps with adhesion and prevents scratches. Also, have your new Honda logo emblem ready, ensuring it's the correct size and style for your specific Civic model. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful emblem replacement. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Begin by gently heating the old logo with a heat gun on a low setting. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Once warm, carefully use a plastic trim removal tool to pry around the edges of the emblem. Work slowly and patiently to avoid scratching your car's paint. Once loosened, you can gently peel off the old logo, revealing a clean surface for the new one. With the old emblem removed, it's crucial to clean the surface thoroughly. Use an automotive adhesive remover to eliminate any sticky residue left behind. After that, wipe the area with an alcohol wipe to ensure it's perfectly clean and free of oils, which is vital for the new emblem's adhesion. Finally, carefully align your new Honda logo emblem. Once it's perfectly positioned, press it down firmly for about 30 seconds to secure it in place. To ensure your new Honda logo emblem stays put, allow its adhesive to cure for at least 24 hours. During this time, it's best to avoid washing your car or exposing the emblem to extreme weather conditions. This gives the adhesive maximum time to bond securely. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.